Good evening. You're watching Breaking Ground. I am Swati Joshi. This edition of Breaking Ground is from Ground Zero in Mumbai. We are at Shivaji Park where there's a massive protest underway. This is the Mumbai edition of the protest supporting students at Jantar Mantar. The protest against paper leak. Look at the entire stretch of this road just outside Shivaji Park, packed with people of all age groups. They are raising slogans, some of them demanding Azadi, some of them asking for justice, raising anti-government slogans as well. But the crux of this entire situation and the protest is that these are young people. They are, some of them have come here with their family members, asking for justice, demanding a change. Look at the multiple placards and posters that you see them holding, sending out a message to the government. And through these posters, they are also demanding for a change. Resignation of the education minister is being demanded by the people who have gathered here at Shivaji Park in Mumbai. Some of them are saying that the future belongs to us and we will remember. There are others who are saying, enough with the atrocities on the students. And one thing which is common and the sentiment that is that all of them are holding tirangas. Now, multiple protests have taken place in the past couple of days in Mumbai, and they've been organized by different organizations at different places. As far as this protest is concerned, some instructions were sent out that no one will turn up here with party flags, with political party flags. Everyone who's going to come here should hold the tiranga, and that's what you see. Many of them, students, young people, here accompanied by their friends, by their family, asking for change, asking for justice. Now, let's quickly also shift focus from Mumbai to what has happened in Delhi. Remember, we earlier told you about the conversation, the dialogue that happened between the government, the centre and the CJP representatives. Well, round 2 of the talks remain inconclusive, but there will be another round that will happen tomorrow. Let's listen in to the reactions that came in after that meeting. JP Nadda after the meeting said, we are considering the demands, we are going through the demands, we've listened to them. The CJP representative said government has agreed to 2 demands, one on compensation, one on the legal cases against the protesters. Listen in to the reactions.
आज हम आंदोलनकारी लोगों के विषयों पर चर्चा करने के लिए यहाँ आए थे। लगभग 2 घंटे बातचीत चली। सरकार की ओर से मैं और मेरे साथ भारत सरकार के मंत्री जितेंद्र सिंह जी बातचीत में शामिल हुए। उनकी बातें हमने सुनी। बातें सौहार्दपूर्ण वातावरण में हुई और कई दृष्टि से उन सारी बातों पर हर तरीके से चर्चा हुई। उनकी मुख्यतः 3 डिमांड थी और 5 सुधार की दृष्टि से परीक्षा के लिए सुझाव नहीं। हमने उनको कहा कि हम कल आपके साथ दोपहर बाद मिलेंगे और फिर हम आपसे जो चर्चा वो आपको बताएंगे।
सबसे पहले धन्यवाद जेपी नड्डा जी का। आज हमारे भाइयों को 5 घंटे बिठा कर नहीं रखा आपने, बड़ी जल्दी फ्री कर दिया। थैंक यू फॉर दैट। और दूसरी रिक्वेस्ट मेरी रहेगी नरेंद्र मोदी जी से, इस्तीफा ले लीजिए सर। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा ले लीजिए। अगर आप धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा नहीं लेंगे तो ये जो देश भर में युवा सड़कों पर उतरे हैं ना, वो आपका इस्तीफा मांगना शुरू कर देंगे फिर। तो स्टूडेंट्स की भी भलाई इसी में कि धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा हो जाना चाहिए, और स्टूडेंट्स से ज्यादा भलाई नरेंद्र मोदी की है कि धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा हो जाना चाहिए। अगर धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा नहीं होता है तो कहीं ना कहीं नरेंद्र मोदी जी की खुशी पर भी सवाल हो।
Those were the reactions that came in from CJP after the second round of talks remain inconclusive. Mr. Dipke, they are saying that it is in the best interest of the students if Dharmendra Pradhan resigns, and more than that, it is in the best interest of this government if Dharmendra Pradhan resigns. Let me quickly once again ask my camera person to pan the camera and show you the sentiment here on ground. This is Mumbai edition of the protest in support of the students, demanding action, demanding change, asking for justice. There are Zindabad slogans being raised. raised. Now, some anti-government slogans have been raised as well. People here have come with posters and placards in their own way, sending a message to the government, asking for change and demanding reforms. Now, in a midnight message to the students, in this massive outreach to the youth of this country, the Prime Minister also released a video. It was a video message after a post that he put out promising that fast-track courts would be set up. In this particular video, the Prime Minister says paper leak is an extraordinary challenge for the government and that measures will be taken to ensure that the law is strengthened, that it's made even more stringent. So let's also listen to the Prime Minister's video message that came late at night. Massive outreach by the government as well.
फ्रेंड्स, मैं जानता हूं कि पेपर लीक ये कोई मामूली विषय नहीं है। लाखों विद्यार्थी और उनके अभिभावकों के लिए बहुत ही पीड़ादायक है और इसलिए पेपर लीक घटना से अब तक पिछले 2.5 महीनों में अनेक विध कदम उठाए गए, गुनहगारों को पकड़ा गया है, वे जेल में पड़े हैं। हमारा सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जिम्मा था कि विद्यार्थियों का 1 वर्ष बर्बाद न हो। तत्काल परीक्षाएं लेना बहुत जरूरी था। सरकार ने अभी पूरी शक्ति का उपयोग करके कम से कम समय में 22 लाख जितने विद्यार्थियों के एग्जाम हो जाएं, इसका प्रबंध किया।